live somewhere, it's your primary residence that you own, you can exempt up to $75,000 in equity if you're a single person, $100,000 in equity if you're a married couple, and up to $175,000 in equity if you're over 65 or older, or you're disabled, or you're 55 and older, you have low income. So that's the biggest exemption that we have to use for our clients. So if they have a property and there's a little bit of equity, let's say, but they have a $100,000 exemption. Let's say there's only $20,000 in equity, but they have a $100,000 exemption because they're married. We're definitely going to claim that, I think, if they want to file Chapter 7 to give them as much protection as possible. There's also something that they could use. Let's say there's no equity in their house, it's way underwater, but they still file Chapter 7, but they have 3 paid off cars worth $20,000 combined, right? There's something called the wild card exemption in Chapter 7 also, which can be used instead of the big homestead exemption. There's different exemption schemes, okay? Traps. So the wild card exemption, to make it in plain English, you can exempt up to just over $23,000 in miscellaneous equity. So, it could be cars, it could be, furniture, jewelry, things like that. That's important usually when there's cars or some kind of extra stuff like that. There are also other exemptions, like retirement benefits, IRAs, those are generally exempt. So, there are different things that are out there. The reason for exemptions is because lawmakers want to give people the right to protect things that they may need to support themselves and their families, while at the same time being able to get the right to get a fresh start through bankruptcy if necessary. So that's the purpose behind the exemption.